10 new gun rights changes. After the December 2025 federal court ruling, every American gun owner must know these laws now. If you legally own a firearm in the United States, everything you thought you understood about your Second Amendment protections was just flipped on its head. A federal appeals court dropped a landmark decision this December 2025 that is already rewriting gun laws from coast to coast. This isn't a minor tweak. We're talking about 10 seismic shifts that either expand your freedoms or create hidden legal landmines you never saw coming. Some of these changes will save you thousands in court costs. Others could land you in jail if you miss the fine print. Hit subscribe right now, because ignoring this update could cost you your freedom, your finances, and your firearms. Below are the 10 new rules every gun owner must memorize today. No exceptions. Law 1. Strict scrutiny is now the only legal test. Search-friendly summary. December 2025. Federal ruling makes strict scrutiny mandatory for all gun laws, the toughest judicial standard in America. For the last 40 years, anti-gun states got away with passing any restriction they could dream up as long as it sounded reasonable. That game ended in November 2025. The appellate court ruled that every firearm regulation, federal, state, or local, must survive strict scrutiny, the highest hurdle in constitutional law. To uphold a law, the government must now prove 3 things. 1. A compelling state interest, not just public safety lip service. 2. The law is narrowly tailored to that interest. 3. It's the least restrictive means possible. Translation: the burden of proof is 100% on the government, not on you. Expect thousands of existing statutes, magazine limits, purchase delays, assault weapon bans to be litigated into dust over the next 18 months. Law 2. Civil immunity for lawful self-defense. SEO keyword cluster. Civil lawsuit immunity gun owner 2025. Defensive shooting civil protection. DOS burglar sues homeowner new ruling. Before this ruling, winning the gunfight was only half the battle. You could be cleared of criminal charges and still lose your house in a wrongful death suit filed by the attacker's family. Remember the Ohio case? Homeowner shot a repeat felon climbing through his kitchen window at 2 a.m. No charges. Yet a jury awarded the burglar's estate $400K for excessive force. The December 2025 decision slams that door shut. If your use of force is ruled lawful, you now enjoy absolute immunity from civil damages. The plaintiff must first obtain a criminal conviction against you before any civil suit can proceed. That single paragraph saves legal gun owners millions in attorney fees and settlements. Law 3. Qualified immunity ends for gun rights violations. CO snippet. Police Qualified Immunity Gun Rights 2025. Officer Personal Liability Firearm Seizure, Virginia, Traffic Stop Gun Confiscation. Cops who illegally disarm law-abiding citizens can no longer hide behind the Qualified Immunity Shield. Example: November 2025, Virginia Beach. Officer confiscated a valid permit holder's handgun during a routine traffic stop because he felt uncomfortable. The new ruling denied qualified immunity. The officer was personally hit with a $300K judgment. Going forward, any infringement of clearly established gun rights exposes the officer to individual liability. Departments are scrambling to retrain patrol units. No probable cause, no confiscation, period. Law 4. Sensitive place loophole, severely narrowed. SEO angle. Sensitive places gun ban 2025. NY/NJ/CA gun free zones overturned. What counts as sensitive place after December ruling? New York, New Jersey, and California abused the sensitive place doctrine by turning entire downtowns into de facto gun-free zones. The court killed that tactic with a 2-pronged test. 1. The location must have a court-level security, metal detectors, plus armed guards. 2. Historical tradition must show guns were banned there in 1791. City parks, public libraries, and subway platforms no longer qualify. Private property owners can still ask you to leave, but criminal trespass charges require refusal to depart. Simple possession is not enough. Law 5. 60 days shall issue clock no more, foot dragging. CO keywords: concealed permit delay, illegal 2025, shall issue 60-day mandate, gun permit automatic approval. States like New York and California weaponized paperwork delays to exhaust applicants. Average weight: 18 months. The December ruling installs a federal 60-day shot clock. Approve or deny within 60 calendar days of receipt. Silence. Automatic approval. Additional document requests are banned unless a specific statutory defect is cited in writing. Gun owner forums are already flooded with data. More permits issued in 3 weeks than in the previous 6 months. Law 6. Ammo storage mandates declared unconstitutional. CO cluster. Ammunition storage laws struck down 2025. MACAIL ammo, separate room ban overturned, self-defense ammo access rights. Massachusetts ordered ammo locked in a separate container. California required ammo stored on a different floor. The court ruled such mandates nullify the core right of immediate self-defense. You may now keep magazines loaded and within arm's reach inside your home. No state can dictate how, where, or in what container you store ammunition for home defense firearms. Law 7. State gun registries ordered destroyed. SEO title fragment. Gun registry illegal 2025. CA Doros database dismantled. Hawaii firearm registration ruled federal violation. Federal law. Firearm Owners Protection Act, 1986, prohibits a national gun registry. Anti-gun states ignored it by renaming their databases. California's DROs, 20 million handgun records tied to owners. Hawaii's RFC, 100% of firearms logged with make, model, serial, and owner fingerprints. The December 2025 ruling labels these systems federal felonies and orders complete destruction within 180 days. States must mail written confirmation to every affected owner that their data has been permanently erased. Non-compliance triggers $50,000 daily contempt fines against state officials personally. Law 8. ATF can't revoke FFLs for typos. SEO keywords. ATF, FFL Revocation Reform, 2025. Gun store license, blue ink penalty struck down. Administrative error versus criminal violation. The ATF's zero tolerance inspection playbook just got torched. Previous revocations over blue ink, missing check marks, or transposed serial digits are nullified. Going forward, the ATF must prove an intentional criminal violation, not a paperwork mistake. Issue a written warning and allow correction time before license action. Small kitchen table FFLs can breathe again. Backdoor gun control via bureaucratic extinction is dead. Law 9. National CCW Reciprocity de facto. 42 state coverage. SEO snippet. Concealed carry reciprocity expansion 2025. Cross-state gun travel legal. 42 state permit recognition federal ruling. The patchwork quilt of reciprocity agreements is 80% gone. Hold a valid permit from any state. 42 states must honor it. No extra conditions. Driving from Texas to Maine? Your Utah non-resident permit is legal the entire route. States cannot impose additional training, fees, or magazine limits on out-of-state permittees. Check the map before you fly, but road trip legal headaches are history. Law 10. Open carry preemption. Cities can't ban holstered handguns. SEO angle. Open carry ban overturned 2025. Municipal gun restrictions preempted. City ordinance versus federal ruling. Austin, Denver, Philadelphia, and dozens of blue metros outlawed open carry within city limits. The December ruling preempts all local restrictions stricter than state law. If state law allows open carry, cities must comply. No opt-outs, no carve-outs. First-time violations by municipalities trigger $10,000 automatic damages payable to any citizen arrested under the void ordinance. Quick action checklist. Do these today. 1. Audit your safe setup. Load mags and store ammo however you want. 2. Scan your carry permit. Calendar day 60, if you're waiting on an application. 3. Download the new Reciprocity map, link in description. Print it for your glove box. 4. Send a FOIA request if you ever bought a gun in CA, HI, NY, or NJ. Confirm registry deletion. 5. Tell your local sheriff about qualified immunity exposure. Polite education prevents bad encounters. The December 2025 federal appellate decision is the biggest pro-gun victory since Heller 2008 and Bruin 2022 combined. 10 massive shifts, strict scrutiny, civil immunity, registry nukes, reciprocity, and more are already in effect. Anti-gun states will fight dirty with stall tactics, wordsmithing, and zoning tricks. Stay locked to this channel. We'll track every new lawsuit, emergency injunction, and state meltdown in real time. Share this video with every gun owner you know. Missing even one rule could cost you everything.